This video is a very interesting contrast to the last problem I did. They're both on equality, but they approach it slightly differently. The first problem was depth of knowledge level 2, and this one is asking for the greatest possible value and its depth of knowledge level 3. So let me unpack this one. Using the digits 1 to 9 at most one time each, place a digit in each box to create a true number sentence with the greatest possible value. So before, we were just looking for anything, but now we're looking for the one with the greatest possible value, and you have to start thinking strategically. For example, maybe you want to do something like 9 and 8 here, and that's going to give you a greater value, but now you can't get anything on this side that will actually give you a value of 17. And so you really got to start thinking strategically, like maybe you realize you want this to be the greatest possible value and this to be the least possible value. Yes, Tatiana. And then from there, you're going to be thinking, okay, well, if that is going to be a value of 8, how do I make a value of 8 on this side? And so there might be a few options here. What would you say? Great. We'll do 5 and 3. And so this really has to have students might think this is not even a valid true number sentence because they might say 5 plus 3 is not 9. And so it leads to also these great conversations about what does equality mean, that the value on this side is 8 and the value on this side is also 8. And so these are great conversation starters to try out with your students.